Join me as I dive into the wild world of AMD stock and try to figure out what's really going on right now. AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices, is a major player in the tech industry, especially when it comes to computer chips and processors. They've been making waves for a while, and their stock has been a hot topic among investors. AMD's stock price has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride lately. One day it's up, the next day it's down, and it's left a lot of people wondering what's going on. Some investors are getting a little nervous, and it's hard not to blame them. The stock market can be unpredictable, and AMD's recent fluctuations have been pretty significant. You might be wondering if this is a normal part of the market's ups and downs or if there's something more going on. As we try to make sense of it all, it's clear that AMD's stock movements have a lot of people paying attention. The factors at play here are complex. Market trends are always shifting, and AMD's performance as a company is under constant scrutiny. Recently, there have been some big industry news stories that could be affecting AMD's stock value. For instance, the ongoing global chip shortage has had a ripple effect across the tech industry. Another factor is the competitive landscape. AMD faces stiff competition from other major chipmakers. How AMD stacks up against its rivals can significantly impact its stock price. Company performance, including quarterly earnings reports and product launches, also plays a huge role in investor confidence. AMD's recent product announcements have been making headlines. Their new line of processors promises to deliver significant performance improvements. This could be a game changer for the company and might have a positive impact on their stock. Let's not forget about the impact of broader market trends. The tech sector as a whole has seen some ups and downs, and AMD stock movements have to be considered in that context. Understanding these movements requires keeping an eye on the overall market, not just AMD's individual performance. AMD recently made a significant announcement that could change the game for their stock value moving forward. They unveiled a new line of high-performance chips that are supposed to compete directly with some of the top players in the field. This move could help AMD gain a larger market share. This new product launch could mean big things for AMD's future performance. Investors are likely to react positively if they see the company making strides in innovation and market capture. The details of the announcement are still sinking in, but early reactions have been largely positive. Industry analysts are weighing in on what this might mean for AMD's stock value in the short and long term. It's still early days, but this announcement has the potential to be a major catalyst for AMD stock. Investors are advised to keep a close eye on how things develop. So, what's the takeaway here? AMD stock movements are influenced by a mix of market trends, company performance, and industry news. The recent fluctuations are a reminder of the volatility of the stock market. If you've got thoughts on AMD stock or you're an investor yourself, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, if you're interested in more investment insights or analysis, be sure to check out some of my other videos.